Your friendly robot Giga welcomes you to the channel. Hey tech explorers, welcome back to another fun tech adventure. Today we are going to discover the world of LLMs. Ready? Let's dive in. So what exactly is an LLM? Well, LLM stands for Large Language Model. Think of it as a super smart robot brain that can understand and talk to us in our language. Cool, right? Large language models are like giant libraries filled with words and knowledge. They have read tons and tons of books, articles, and even websites to learn how we speak and write. This helps them answer our questions, tell stories, and even chat with us like a friend. Let me give you an example. Imagine you have a talking pet parrot that knows everything. You could ask it, "Hey Polly, what's the capital of France?" And Polly would say, "The capital of France is Paris." That's how LLMs work. They use all the information they have, learn to give us the answer we need. But LLMs are not just for answering questions. They can also help us write stories, solve puzzles, and even create new games. Imagine having a robot buddy who can help you with your homework or come up with new cool ideas for your next school project. Sounds awesome, right? Another fun thing is that LLMs can talk to us in different languages. So, if you want to learn how to say hello in Japanese, just ask, and the LLM will tell you. It's like having your own personal language teacher. You might be wondering, how do these LLMs learn so much? Well, they use a process called training. It's kind of like going to school for robots. They read lots of text and practice understanding and using words correctly. The more they learn, the smarter they get. So, there you have it. Large language models are incredible tools that make our lives easier and more fun. They help us learn, create, and explore new things every day. Isn't technology amazing? Thanks for watching, everyone. If you had fun learning about LLMs, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time for another exciting adventure. Bye.